Breakthrough tester is a simple water content tool for car breakthrough. Press the top button for power on. Green LED will light up. The battery is good. Insert the tester into breakthrough for a second. Then the results will be indicated currently by LEDs. Today, let's use this pen to test DLT4, DLT3 breakthrough and mineral water. On DLT4, yellow LED below 1% lights up. This breakthrough is good. On DLT3, in case the breakthrough is with above 4% water content, the breakthrough should be changed immediately. If you test the water, you will find the result is not very accurate. Reason is that breakthrough tester cannot be used on pure water or mineral water. But when we add more water to DLT4, alright, let's move to car. Insert the pen into the breakthrough. You can see right there, it stops in yellow LED. So, your breakthrough is in normal condition. That is all. Thank you for watching.